Software process models define how software is developed. Common models include waterfall, incremental, prototyping, and spiral. Each model is suitable for different project requirements and complexity levels. Requirement engineering includes several activities such as inception, elicitation, elaboration, negotiation, specification, validation, and requirement management to ensure accurate system requirements. A data dictionary defines and stores detailed information about system data elements. Prototyping approaches are selected based on requirement clarity, system complexity, and project goals. Analysis modeling represents system requirements clearly and consistently. Requirement validation methods include reviews, prototyping, test case generation, and traceability analysis. The prototyping model builds an early working model of the system to understand requirements and improve system design through user feedback. Functional models describe system operations while behavioral models describe how the system reacts to events and changes in state. Non-functional requirement metrics measure performance, reliability, security, and usability. The IEEE SRS standard provides a structured format to document system requirements. Requirement elicitation gathers system requirements from users through interviews, observations, and discussions. For example, a watch alarm system allows users to set and receive alarm alerts. Data flow diagrams illustrate how data moves between processes, data stores, and external entities in a system such as a library management system. A pizza ordering system involves customer order placement, order confirmation, preparation, delivery, and possible exceptions such as wrong address or incorrect order delivery. Feasibility study evaluates technical, economic, operational, and schedule feasibility to decide whether a software project should proceed. Software Requirement Specification is a document that clearly defines system requirements, including functional features, constraints, and external interfaces. Requirement engineering identifies and manages system requirements while addressing challenges such as unclear user needs, communication gaps, and changing expectations. Prototyping creates an early working model of the system. It can be throwaway prototypes or evolutionary prototypes depending on development approach. In the truck driver reporting system, public complaints are recorded and analyzed to monitor driver behavior and improve transportation safety.